Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create full backup of Windows 11 or Windows 10 external drive and restore. So firstly, you have to go to Control Panel right here, Control Panel. Now hit Enter. Then you have to click on System and Security. This one. Then click on File History. Then you find here this bottom left corner this option, system image backup. Click on this. Now simply click on this create a system image, this one. Now you can see here this drop down menu, this one. Click on this and choose the backup file or choose the backup volume. So I'm gonna backup volume here, volume E. Okay, click on this. Now just click on next. If all okay, click on next. Now you can see here start backup. After clicking on start backup, your backup will be started and your file will be in this E section, new volume E. So you can see here that you need 86 GB disk space to transfer the file. So if your volume doesn't have 86, you have to change the volume. But if your volume have 86 or 90 GB or more, you can start backup here. Okay, after start backup, click on this and your backup will be started. Okay guys, so yeah, this is how you can do this guys. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.